Coffee with the Mighty Miracle Man time. So let's discuss the benefits of Onpassive. We'll dive into the benefits that Onpassive brings to businesses and entrepreneurs. We'll explore how the company products optimize efficiency, enhance productivity, streamline operations, and increase profitability. Let's dive in. So let's discuss how they have enhanced efficiency and productivity first. It allows businesses to streamline processes, automate repetitive tasks, and eliminate bottlenecks. Increased efficiency and productivity lead to cost savings, improved resource allocation, and faster time to market, so a quicker release date. Next, we'll talk about how streamlining operations and workflow improve the efficiency. Onpassive's automation tools and intelligent business processes optimize operations and overall workflow management. Benefits include the reduced errors and stress that comes along with those, improved accuracy, and faster turnaround time so you can get more done in less time. This improves overall customer experience, and as Onpassive's customer relationship management or CRM solutions enhance customer experience and through personalized interactions, timely responses, and efficient support. It makes for an overall better customer experience, so they're more likely to come back. This leads to increased customer satisfaction, customer loyalty to your brand, and overall business growth. Onpassive's advanced analytics capability provide businesses with valuable insights into operations, market trends, and customer behavior. Data-driven decision making enables these businesses to identify opportunities, optimize strategies, and ultimately stay ahead of the competition. Passive solutions contribute to increased profitability by reducing costs, uh, optimizing resource allocation, and driving revenue growth. Businesses can leverage Onpassive technology to scale their operations, expand their customer base, and explore new markets. All of this, it gives businesses a competitive advantage in the market. A lot of companies don't know about this yet, but it'll go big. But if you're one of the early adopters, though, you can start making money now. And all of these benefits are pretty tangible, and they optimize efficiency, enhance productivity, streamline operations, improve customer experience, and ultimately drive profitability. And this far, I want to say thank you for taking the time to watch my video. And there's another one coming up. And if you would be so kind as to subscribe and make sure to hit that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a new video or go live, and be much appreciated. Live longer, feel better, and add life to your years.